Sound guys, so this is the one we're doing today. I boarded this up a few weeks ago. First job I done from was over here. If you remember, the car crashed through the front of the building, which was just there. So I've done that board up from there. I've done that one, and then a few weeks later they phoned me up to do this one. So I've done that one from there. Now originally they were going to have new doors put in. We would never screw a board straight to an alley frame because it will mark the frame, but I don't think they're having the new doors put in. I don't know whether they've not got the budget. So this one's coming off, and a new piece of 6.4mm lam is going to go in, so I'll show you how we do it, guys. Sound guys, so glass out. And there you go guys, from broken glass to board up to new glass. Lovely jubbly. The Baptist Church, Quinton Baptist Church. There we go guys, all done. New glass and a load of glass to do round the back.